What's up, everybody? It's Justin. I hope you guys are all having a good week. Something exciting this week is I work at a doggy daycare boarding, and I was able to take one of the dogs out, one of our fosters, for the weekend. So we have Mr. Benson here in my audience. He's the best. I love Benson. But he's hanging out with me for the weekend, so that's pretty fun. He just met the tortoise, so that's good. If you guys remember. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So today I'll be talking about green anoles. Green anoles are the only native anole to Southwest Florida, Florida in general, actually the United States in general, as a matter of fact. It's a green anole. That's the common name. Scientifically, it's Anoles caroliminaeus, I think it's how you pronounce it. I'm going to put it on the screen too. I apologize for my pronunciation. So without further ado, I guess let's get right into it. So the green anole is a small arboreal lizard which is native to the southeastern United States. It's often referred to as the American chameleon because of its ability to change color from bright green to dark brown. Although it's not a true chameleon, green anoles are highly adaptive and often found in both natural and urban habitats, making them an important representative for reptiles in Florida. Green anoles are slender lizards. They're typically 5 to 8 inches long. I'll put up a little picture as well. The males are larger than the females normally. Their skin can shift, like I was saying, from green to brown, and that depends on temperature, stress, social signals. The males have a pinkish red dewlap, like a throat fin, which comes out like this, sort of, when they're looking to breed, which they use for courtship, as I was saying, and also territorial displays against other males. Their toes have adhesive pads that allow them to climb on smooth surfaces with ease. You coming in the picture? All right, I guess he wants to join. So the geographic range, green anoles are found throughout the southeastern United States, particularly in Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas, and parts of Texas. They thrive in warm, humid environments such as forests, wetlands, shrublands, and suburban gardens, and they're often seen basking on fences, tree trunks, and shrubs in Florida. We see a lot of them at work where he lives, mainly running around looking for flies near all the poop, in the poop trash, sorry. So in the food web, they're insectivores, so they eat small insects and other invertebrates. And then predators are birds, snakes, and larger lizards mainly. And for energy, they gain energy by consuming the insects, which transfers the energy climbing up the food chain when eaten by larger predators. Sorry, Benson, what are you doing, bud? It's messing with my window. Anyways, green anoles reproduce sexually, with males displaying their dewlap and performing head bobbing behaviors to attract females. During the breeding season, spring through summer, females lay a single soft-shelled eggs every 1 to 2 weeks in soil or leaf litter, and the eggs hatch after about 5 to 7 weeks, producing independent juveniles with no parental care. So they're in the kingdom Mammalia, phylum Chordata. I'm just going to read them all down. Class Reptilia, order Squamata, family Dactyloidae, and then Anoles caroliminaeus, like I said earlier. Again, I'm going to put that scientific name on there because I am horrible at pronunciation. I do apologize for that. Benson's playing with my pillows, it looks like. So some little interesting facts. Green anoles are capable of regenerating lost tails, which is a defense mechanism against predators. And the cool thing about their tails, when they drop it, there's still nerve endings in there. So when they drop it, it flaps around, kind of jumps around this floor a little bit. It looks kind of scary if you've never seen it before. They do that. And it can kind of mess it. My great aunt's dog, Yorkie, she used to love those and would go crazy whenever a tail would fall off. But they're the only native species of anole in the U.S., but they now compete with the invasive brown anoles, Anoles sagre, for habitat. They're often studied as a model organism in evolutionary biology due to their adaptive traits and rapid responses to environmental change. That's a little bit about green anoles. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll try my best to answer them. That's a blanket. As always, good seeing everybody. I hope everyone had a good week, and I hope you all have a good week coming up. I think that's it for now. All right, quit it. All right, I'll see you guys later.